Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdullah Agili.
And my name is Abdurrahman Jamani. Today we are going to talk about how to make a simple car parking system using Logo.
I'll be talking about the concept of our project. Our project is about a simple car parking system which has a maximum of 6 cars. So there are 2 lamps outside the parking. We have green lamps and red lamps. The green lamps will be on if there is an empty space inside the parking. Otherwise, if it's full, the red lamp will be on, so you know that the parking is full.
We need to use 2 input OR gate, up down counter and 2 output. Here we have I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6. Input Q1 and Q2 are the output. N and L for the power supply.
As we can see here, we connected L to the lifeline and N
for the
neutral. And we have Q1 and Q2 as the output. We connect Q1, which is the lamp, the green lamp, with the lifeline, and the other to the neutron. And we connect Q2, which is the red lamp, to the lifeline, and the other for the neutron. Also, we have the 2 switches, which is in parallel because we used an OR gate, S1 and S2, which works as push button make switches. That was all for us for the wiring diagram. Now we are going to build the circuit in Logo.
Now we are going to build the circuit in Logo. We need 2 input, OR gate, up down counter and 2 output. Indicator. Firstly, the 2 input is I1 and I2. I1 is a sensor for the cars in. I2 is a sensor for cars out. Secondly, OR gate. We use an OR gate because we want the output give 1 whenever the sensor give 1, so the counter will count. Then we have the up down counter, which will count how many cars get in or get out the parking according to the signals come from the sensors. Finally, we have two output which are telling us if they are a space or not.
Now we are going to connect the circuit. I1 is going to go to the OR gate, and also R2 is going to the OR gate, so it will give us 1 whenever one of the 2 sensors is on. Then the OR gate, we will connect it to the up down counter, and also we will take another one going direct to the I2. After that, the output of the up down counter will go to the inverter, and the other one is going to Q2 direct. and the output of the inverter is going to Q1. We are going to rename the two sensors, or before that we are going to change the switch to momentary push button make, the two switches. Then we will rename it. I1 is going to be for the car in sensor for car in. I2 is sensor for car out, and Q1 is available parking, and Q2 is full parking. We also have to change the up-down counter, so it's going to be on, as we said, that 6 car, and off 6 also. Now we can test our program. So we can test the circuit now. As we can see, we have available parking here is on, and the full parking is off. So whenever we give the first sensor count 1, so we have available parking and the full parking is still off. So whenever the second car, the third car, till we get 6 cars, so now the available parking is off and the full parking is on, because there are no space inside the parking. Whenever one car only get out of the parking, we can see that we have available parking now. We can see the lamp here is on. And whenever the other one out, we still have available parking. We can see that Q1 is on, the third one, the second one. So we still have parking. Again, when it reaches 6, the available parking is off and the full parking is on now. So that was all for us. We hope that we give you a new information, and thank you so much. Was with you Abdullah Agili
and Abdurrahman Jamani. Thank you for watching.